Hello children, we are doing class 10 science, chapter 2 acid, bases and salt, important question 8. Now in that one, first one, name the white colored compound which is used in hospitals for setting fractured bonds. What is its chemical name and formula? How is it prepared? Now name the white colored compound. So in the answer part, white colored compound used in hospitals for setting fractured bond is plaster of Paris actually. So I'll write that one as plaster of Paris is the, I'm going to give the name A. Is the white colored compound used in hospitals, is the white colored compound used in hospitals for setting fractured bonds. Actually, fractured bonds in the right position. Now here, what is its chemical name? Chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Chemical name of plaster of Paris. Is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Right. Now chemical formula. There is B first bit and second bit. Chemical formula of plaster of Paris. That is CaSO4 dot half H2. Hemihydrate is so half water. Now how is it prepared? We are writing the preparation of plaster of Paris. So on heating gypsum, on heating gypsum, at 373 Kelvin, you can remember the temperature, that is the boiling point of water only. Boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin or 100 degrees Celsius. So on heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin, same temperature, comma, the products formed are, that is plaster of Paris is formed. So gypsum formula is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. On heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin, we'll get CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 1.5 water. CaSO4 dot half H2O is called plaster of Paris. And gypsum, chemical name is gypsum. Its chemical name is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Chemical name is calcium sulfate dihydrate. And it is a hard solid mass. And CaSO4 dot half H2O. That one is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris' chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. It is a white powder. Then 1.5 molecules of water crystallization. As note we'll write, on heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin is the explanation. It loses water molecules, that is 1.5 molecules of water of crystallization, and form calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is the plaster of Paris. So from the gypsum, which is calcium sulfate dihydrate, from 2 molecules of water crystallization, 1.5 molecules of water crystallization will be lost, and you will get calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now we'll go to the next question. Question 2. Plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture-proof containers. Explain why. Plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture-proof container because in the presence of moisture, plaster of Paris set to form a hard solid mass called gypsum. Now we'll write the equation. Plaster of Paris equation is, formula is CaSO4 dot half H2O. To that one, now 1.5 molecules of water of crystallization will be added, so that you will get calcium sulfate dihydrate CaSO4 dot 2H2O, calcium sulfate dihydrate. So that is the gypsum. So to plaster of Paris, when we add water or moisture is added, at that time it will calcium sulfate hemihydrate react with 1.5 molecules of water of crystallization to form calcium sulfate dihydrate, which is a hard solid mass called gypsum. So plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate This is a white powder. This white powder is actually used for setting the fractured bond also. So here 1.5 molecules of water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. And you will get gypsum, which is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Which is a hard solid mass.